Website you didn't know existed. Go to Same Energy. This website will give you any kind of picture you are looking for. The photo you will click on, you'll see more options like Suppose I click on the dress in the middle. This website will show more photos like that. From home you can search photos. You can search for any types of picture. I searched for furniture. Here is the pictures of furniture. You can search pictures for any country or place. I looked for Santorini. Look at this beautiful pictures. You can also find any kind of logo here. Please follow for more.